everyone, I'm Apple Glaze Arabora, a BSH student. Today we're gonna prepare a Shirley Tempest cocktail. We only need a superior rum, a grenadine, and a soda. First, you have to pour one and a half superior rum in a jigger. And two oz of soda.
Sabi mo, jigger.
Jigger na siya kawgon. And one dash of grenadine. It's just a very simple cocktail. Add some ice. Then shake. Shake, shake. You have to put some ice in also in a glass. Then once you pour it. There you have it, a Shirley Tempest cocktail. You can garnish it with a cherry.